Volferda Industry Limited is a leading prefab house manufacturer from Guangdong, China, and the designated supplier of smart houses for the world's top 500 companies, with 15 years of experience in the prefab tiny house market. Our factory covers an area of about 40,000 square meters and has more than 200 professional workers. We specialize in manufacturing space capsule houses, apple cabins, and camping mobile houses. With superb technology and advanced equipment, we constantly pursue technological breakthroughs and innovations, providing only excellent quality prefab houses to our customers. Our annual production capacity is 1,500 units. The production cycle is 25 days. Before delivery, we will strictly check the product quality, showing the world the perfect integration of Volferda's quality and innovation. We are a high-tech enterprise focused on research, innovation, and production. All our products have obtained ISO certification. Our professional sales team is not only proficient in local markets and has insight into customer needs but also provides customized solutions. They always prioritize the customer, tailoring the best solutions to meet their needs. We have more than 8 million followers on social media platforms, with the brand's influence spanning globally. With rich export experience, we have reached 80 countries, and our monthly delivery can reach 100 units. Volferda, a synonym of smart houses.